In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up ConvertKit opt-in forms. We'll walk through the entire process together, from creating your form, to customizing the design, to turning on double opt-in so your subscribers are properly confirmed. By the end, you'll have a fully working opt-in form ready to collect email addresses on your website. First, log into your ConvertKit account. At the very top of the screen, look for the main navigation bar. Click on the tab labeled Grow, and from the drop-down menu, choose Landing Pages and Forms. This is where all of your forms and landing pages are managed. Once you're there, click the Create New button. ConvertKit will ask how you want to gather subscribers. Choose Form. After the page reloads, you'll see several format options: inline, modal, slide-in, and sticky bar. For this walkthrough, we'll choose modal, which pops up over your page. Next, you'll see a gallery of form templates that match the format you selected. Take a moment to browse through and pick the one that fits your brand and layout needs. When you've decided, click Choose on that template, and it will open in the editor. Inside the editor, you'll see a live preview of your form in the center or on the left, and the customization options in a right-hand sidebar. By default, you'll usually be on the General Styles tab. Here you can adjust things like the content background, the form background, border radius for rounded corners, a background image, and opacity. Some templates also let you add custom CSS for more advanced styling. The exact options can vary depending on which template you selected, but the general idea is the same. Use these controls to match the form to your branding. To change specific blocks on the form, simply click on them directly in the preview. When you select a block, its individual settings will show up in the right sidebar. If it's a text block, you can click right into the text in the preview and start typing to edit it. Many templates start with just an email address field, but you can easily add more fields. To do that, click the plus icon just below the email field. ConvertKit will insert another field, and you can configure it in the sidebar. Choose whether it should be a first name field, a last name field, or create a custom field. Update the label to whatever you want your visitors to see, and check the required box if that information must be filled in before they can submit. If you want to rearrange any block, hover over it, drag it up or down, then release it where you want it to go. Next, let's turn on double opt-in and set up the incentive email. In the top right corner of the editor, click on Settings. A pop-up window will appear with several tabs, such as General, Domain, Incentive, and Advanced. Click on the Incentive tab. Here, make sure the option to Send Incentive Email is checked. This is what sends your subscriber a confirmation message, which helps keep your list cleaner and more engaged. If you'd like subscribers to be confirmed automatically after they click the link in that email, you can also check Auto Confirm New Subscribers. Then attach your incentive by adding the URL you want them to be redirected to, or uploading a file they can download, such as a PDF guide or checklist. When you're done, click Save at the bottom right of the pop-up to apply those settings. Once you've finished customizing everything and your form looks the way you want, go back to the top right of the main editor and click Save, then click Publish. ConvertKit will give you the embed code or share options for the form, depending on the type you created. From here, you can add the form to your website or landing page and start collecting new subscribers right away.